Rest is nourishing. Rest is needed. Rest is peace and ease. It's truth. It's so interesting. I was able to find community here and rest in community, be able to sit and be with them. And my soul was poured into. I was nourished. I was replenished. I was restored and rejuvenated. Rest is being able to be aligned with self, because the power is always in the present. The past is where depression can exist. The future is where anxiety may lay, but rest is the present moment. It allows for that cultivation and digestibility to happen. So that's rest for me, as well as in my room. The mattresses are fire. Hearing the birds, hearing the trees, amazing.